Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Today we have a classic for you. This is a Volkswagen Golf V6 4MOTION. It's on the year 2000, so it is 25 years old, so it is a classic. So we'll start with the engine. She's running. It's ticking over very, very nicely. So all good on your wings, on your struts, all good. It is a very, very, very solid car. There again, and all nicely down there. So engine bay is all good. Even still got this on it. So there you go. And even on here, yeah, there's a few marks, but there's no rust coming through or anything. So very nice. This is the second time we've had the car. We sold it a few years ago to the owner who's brought it back. He's lost his storage and he doesn't really use it now. It's just been really sat in storage. So we've purchased it back off him. He's a good customer, and now it's available again. So I'll just quickly go around and then So it has got the MOT'd exhaust system, which does sound very nice. That is an upgrade. Rear spoiler. The windows have been blacked out. Not too sure if there was supposed to be a wiper there, but it's been taken out. That wasn't by ourselves. Alloy wheels are in perfect condition. I believe they're the original ones. Just had 4 new recent tyres as well. Can't hardly hear the engine. The base plate does come with the car. All 4 alloys are perfect. No bubbling. Okay, so there you go. So we'll go a little bit closer in. So we'll go on the front, look at the stone chips. There's a couple of marks there. There's a few little, I mean, it is 25 years old, so you are going to get a few bits. So yeah, could do with a little bit of touch-ups on the front, but nothing major. All the lights are clear. Bumpers not too bad. Looks like there might be a little scuff there. Yeah, there's a small scuff there. And again, the glass is okay. Onto the wings. I mean, the arches are all clean. There's no rust or bubbling on the arches whatsoever. Quickly go down to the sills. Sills are all solid. As you can see. Quick look, see if there's any oil leaks, which I don't believe there is. Engine's running. All looks good. Again on the arches, clear there. As all Golf fans will probably know, that they do rust around here, and this has been touched up around here and could do with a rear paint. Let's have a look in the boot while we're here. This is nice and clean. Very, very fine scratches, but nothing major at all. As you probably see by the pictures, I mean, the boot there's not even any surface rust. And I've just seen 5p down there. Happy days. Obviously your MOT'd exhaust. We'll give it a few revs later. Again, arches, all good. On the back here, there's no dents, but there is going to be a few blemishes here and there. And there you go. And the roof is, you know, can't see any bed marks on the arbor which you normally see on the roof. Just needs polishing out that bit. Probably a little bit, yeah. So we've got a little bit of that's been touched in there. And if you can see here, I think the door could do with maybe adjusting because it's just slightly out there. I'll have a look at the other side for you. If you look in the corners, you probably are starting to get a little bit of bubble in there where all the water runs down, and there is a little bit of bubble in there. Missed that, sorry. So have a quick look round again. Let's have a look down there. Yeah, very slight coming there. There's nothing else on this side though. There you have it. I think that's all the outside done. Just notice a very, very slight little ding there. I'm trying to be as honest as I can. Obviously, you really need to come and see the car if you do fancy it. It's at a reasonable price, in my opinion. So all these are nice, very, very nice. There's no rust there at all. Leather seats. Yes, there is wear. The car has done 138,000. Looks bad on the video, but it's not that bad. Just needs a bit of TLC. There's the back for you. Headline is good. No droopiness at all. On the front seat, as you could expect, there's less wear, a lot less wear. Sit inside. Now there is, obviously it's got a wooden gear knob, and there is supposed to be wood around here. Now we did sell it with wood on. For some bizarre reason, the last owner's taken it off. Everything works down there. You've even got heated seats. Now you have it 100. As you can see, that was 138,979 miles. The car is mechanically spot on. It's had 17 service stamps. All the Haldex oil, gearbox oil done recently, including the diff oils. Like I said, 17th service stamps. It's well serviced, up to date. So there you go. I can't really. I've been as honest as I can. Just give it a bit of a rev here. Does sound nice. Lovely colour as well against the black. So there you have it, 2000 Volkswagen Golf V6 4MOTION. Fans just kicked in very nicely. Needs a bit of TLC. Not much though. Up for sale now down at Bedmarks. Thanks for watching.